That annoying sound again. This time it's really a fire. So what do? Good question. When you hear the fire alarm go off in your home, gather your loved ones and pets and head to your designated meeting place. This is a sound you never want to hear. Now what? Don't panic. Hospital personnel are trained for emergency situations just like this one. Their job is to guide you to safety. Every parent's nightmare. Your child's school has monthly fire drills. Every teacher and student knows exactly what to do in the event of a fire emergency. Whether it's a house, a hospital, a school, or any other occupancy, City Fire is capable of the design, installation, and maintenance of all types of fire alarm systems. Call us at 973-560-1600 or visit us at cityfire.com to learn more.